All right, so after you've done that, the theorem says that the addition of those two that are in turquoise will equal the one that's outside, okay? So let's come up with an equation. The equation would be, how much is this angle right here? 90, very good. So the equation would be 90 plus, no, it equals 119. So 6s plus 5 equals 119, right? And then we're going to highlight what we're going to change. 90 and 5 are 95. I'm going to go ahead and put them together. Minus 119. All right, so what does S equal to? Oh my goodness. 4? All right. What if I want to figure out this angle right here? You can plug in 4, or you can say 119 minus 90. You can do either one. You can do 119 minus 90. How much would that be? 20 what? 29. All right. Can I erase this? Let me see if I can pick up. All right. What about the next one? It needs to be equal to how much? 138. So 50 plus 4D. Very good. Or 4D plus 50. It really doesn't matter how you write it. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight what I'm going to change. So this would be 4D plus 50 minus 138, and then you do your thing. It was 4 over here. How much is it? How much is it? D equals what? 22. 20. Did you do it? 22? All right. All right, let's go to the next one. What does it need to be equal to? Remember, it's the outside. So it needs to be equal to 5K plus 2. And then it's those two added together. Can we just go ahead and add it? What is 104 plus 38? 142. Double check my math. 142. All right, now highlight what you are going to move. I'm going to move the 142. It's a lot easier to move that 142, correct? So this would be 5K plus 2 minus 142. I'm going to give you new cheat sheets tomorrow, and I'm going to add this on the cheat sheet, that you need to add these two to get that one. How much? 28. All right, what about this one? It's 90 and 25. Can you add it up and tell me how much is 90 plus 25? 115, and that equals 4z plus 3. What would you move? 115, right? So this would be 4z plus 3 minus 115. X equals 28. All right. What is this equation equal to for number 3? 129. And this would be 4n. I put an X. I'm sorry. I hope that's okay. Is that okay that I put an X? All right. And what is 78 plus 3? 81. And what are you moving? The 129. It's a lot easier to move that 129. So it's 4x plus 81 minus 129. 12. I got 12, and that would be correct. 12. All right, number 7 on your own. Go. All right, so for number 7, it needs to be equal to what, babies? 100. No. It needs to be equal to 100 and it needs to be equal to 100. I'm trying to do the equation, right? The answer is 22. You guys are absolutely right. 53 and 1 would be 54, and then plus 4r. And then you write 54 plus 4r minus 142. All right, because we're going to move that one. All right, and then r equals 22. Good job. Very good. And you're going to have this on your cheat sheet, so it should not be that big of a deal, right? All right, this one is equal to how much? 116. Very good. And then 31 and 1 would be 32. Oh. Plus, thank you, plus 4x equals 116. Removing that one. So 32 plus 4x minus 116. Very good. Some of you went ahead and kept on working. Thank you so much. All right, that one equals 163. 1 and 120 would be 121 plus 6e. We're going to highlight that. 121 plus 6e minus 163. And e equals 7. Good job. Very good. This is a lot easier than the angles, right? Because you don't have to and you'll have it on your cheat sheet, so it should be pretty okay. All right, so are we ready for a little bit more challenge? What do you mean no? What do you mean no? Challenge. A little bit more challenging. All right, let's take our highlighters. Take this one. It's not on the packet. It's separate, right? All right, let's highlight all the outside. We only have 4, and then we can walk about and do that activity, okay? That one has that all the outsides first. Uh-oh. Are you? Ah! Don't make fun of me. That's not cool. You're making fun of the old lady. Yeah, there is. But thank you. That was very sweet of you guys. This is why I love my babies. All right. And then these are the insides, right? What? All right. Why am I doing them in 2 different colors? What do you think Miss Marina is doing them into to separate what is equal to what you have to add, right? All right. So you make sure you follow what I'm telling you. You guys are really good at modeling exactly how I show you to do it. Most of you are. I'm very happy with my Math 8 this year. Huh? You're in my Math 8. You're in one of my math babies. Math 8 babies. All right. So what does it need to be equal to? 144. Good job. Is there anything that we can add over here? 6x's and 7x's, right? What is 6x plus 7x? How much? 13x and then plus 1, right? And piece of cake after that. Calculator takes over. So 13x plus 1 minus 144. X equals. Does everybody agree with Daniel? Daniel says that it's 11. All right, but look, it's asking me for the measurement of what? Of V. This is V. What is V? 7x. So the answer is not 11, it's 77. Very good. Good job. So it would be 7 times 11. So V equals 77. 7x, right? Because that's V. All right. So talk to me about what it's equal over here. 12x plus 4. Edgar, pay attention, baby. Edgar. All right. Is there anything in here that I can add? 27 and 1, that would be 28. Plus 9x. And does it matter which part I move? Nope. So let's go ahead and move this. Really doesn't matter. So that would be 28 plus 9x minus 12x minus 4. Eight. Roman, are you working with the calculator, baby? Yamled. Calculator, baby, come on. So I got Jonathan telling me 8. Somebody over here told me 8 too. Can we agree? All right, but look at what it's asking me. D, E, F. So D, E, N, F. That will be this guy right here. So that's 9x plus 1. So it would be 9 times 8 plus 1. So this would be 9 times 8 plus 1. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 1. 73. So the answer would be 73. Oh my God, am I really boring you that bad? I am to Leslie. Darn it. I don't know. All right. What is it equal to, babies? 8x plus 4. Is there anything we can add? The 30 and the 22. Very good. And then we're going to change all of that. So 4x plus 52 minus 8x minus 4. Come on. Damilet, come on, baby. What, honey? 9:30. You still have a long time with me. Hey. What is x? You can't stay with me all day long. What is it? 14. All right, let's see what it's asking me to do. F, P, and Q. F, P, and Q. So read here. That right there. Yes, you're looking for the angle. So I just go with like my little finger or the highlighter, right? F, P, Q, and then I look for what's... Actually, if you just take a look at the middle letter, you should be okay that I just stupidly went over it with a pen. But if you just look for this, the middle letter, you're good to go. All right, yes, just look for that middle letter. Very good. So that would be 8 times 14 plus 4. What's my angle? Awesome. Next snapshot, you're going to make me look just as good as you did on this one. Thank you. I like that. I like that. It's equal to 12x plus 16. Anything we can add? 91 and 5, which would be 96. And then I have a plus 4x. And it really doesn't matter which part I move because they have the same, both of them. All right, so this would be 96 plus 4x. What did we do on number 3? Oh, it's not 14, it's 12. All right, so it's, somebody told me 14, or did I misunderstood you guys?
I got 14 and Jeremy got 14, but we played a positive 4.
Okay, so let's go back to number 13. Thank you, guys. So instead of 14, it needs to be 12, and then that means that changes, right? All right, because, can you do, let's do it again in the calculator. Do it again in the calculator. For x plus 52, is it 14 or is it 12? Which one is it? 12? Are we sure? Yay? All right, so it would be 8 times 12 plus 4. 100? Yay? All right, thank you. Just let me know. We're good to go. All right, so what about this one? 96 plus 4x minus 12x minus 16. Oh my God, really? Let's see. Uh-oh, that should not be negative 17. What is it? Are we getting negative 17? All right, 96. So Juliana's telling, Sumar's telling me 10. Edgar is telling me 10. Go back and see what you did. Help him out. Help him out. It's 10. I think you guys are right. I think it's 10. I think you guys are right. All right, so we got to figure out V. So V is this guy over here. 4 times 10 plus 5, right? 45. Yeah, you don't even need to do that in the calculator, do you? And that would be 45 because it's 4 times 10 plus 5 because it was 4x plus 5, right? Easy peasy. Yeah, this is a lot easier than the parallel and transversal lines. All right. Are we good? Yay? All right, so let's put that in. We'll finish the rest whenever we get to it. Don't